Dear learners, Namaste. Welcome to this presentation on classification of dosage form. After watching this video, learners will able to define drug, define dosage form, understand the importance of dosage form, that is need of dosage form, and classify different dosage form. Now let us see the drug. Definition of drug. A drug may be defined as an agent intended for use in the diagnosis, mitigation, treatment, cure or prevention of disease in man or in other animals. Now let us see the definition of dosage form. So the every dosage form is a combination of drug and different kind of non-drug component called additives. Now move towards the next part, that is the importance of the dosage form. In another way it is also called as need of dosage form, and in another way it is also called why drug is transformated into the different dosage form. So to protect the drug from oxidation, hydrolysis and reduction, example coated tablet and sealed ampoules. Second, for safe and convenient delivery of accurate dose. Third, the optimum drug action can be provided through inhalation, example inhalation of aerosol and inhalants. Fourth, to provide maximum drug action from topical administration site, example cream, ointment, ophthalmic preparation and ear, nose and throat preparation. Fifth, to cancel the bitter, salty or obnoxious taste or odor of drug substance, example capsule, coated tablets and flavored syrup. 6. To provide liquid dosage form, the drug soluble in suitable vehicle, that is solution. To provide sustained release action, that is SR, through controlled release mechanism, sustained release tablet, capsule and suspension. 8. To provide for the insertion of the drug into one of the body cavities, example vaginal or rectal suppositories. Now dear student, tell me what are the different type of dosage forms? Think and tell. So here are the classification of dosage form or the types of dosage form. First one, solid dosage form. Second one, liquid dosage form. And third one, semi-solid dosage form. So let us begin with the classification or types of dosage form. That is, solid dosage form are divided into the two types, unit dose and bulk dose. So again, unit dose are diversified or classified, or examples into the unit dosage form: tablet, capsule, powders, pills. Again, bulk dosage form are divided into the two types, internal and external. So internal, that are the fine powders, granules, effervescent granules. In the external, that is the outside the body, dusting powder, insufflation, dentifrice, snuffs, ear powders. So these are the examples of external dosage form. Now moving ahead, next one, that is the liquid dosage form. Again, liquid dosage form are divided into the two types, that is the monophasic dosage form and second one is a biphasic dosage form. Word itself indicate the meaning of monophasic, that is the single phase, and biphasic, that are the two phases. So monophasic is again divided into the two types, internal and external. We already discussed what do you mean by internal, that is the orally taken into the our body, and external, outside the body. So internal monophasic dosage form are the mixtures, syrups, elixir, linctus, and external liniments, lotion, mouthwashes, gargle, throat paints, sprays, eye drops, nasal drops, eye lotions. So in the biphasic dosage form, that is the emulsion and suspension. In latter part, we'll detail discuss about the definition of emulsion, what are the method of preparation of emulsion, what are the identification test of how to identify the emulsion, what are the different types of emulsion, that is the OW type of emulsion, WO type of emulsion, and again what do you mean by the suspension. Moving ahead, next part, that is the dosage form, semi-solid dosage form. So in the semi-solid dosage form, it is again divided into the two types, internal and external. So internal, that is the insertion into the body cavities, that is the suppositories and pessaries, and in external, that is the ointment, paste, creams and jellies. So we had learned so many things in this unit. Thank you very much.